Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we'll be talking about Powtoon, which is a really great tool for your presentations editing and tons of other stuff that we will talk about in this video. First of all, I'll tell you what Powtoon is, and we'll check the pricings obviously, and then I'll show you how to basically work in it for beginners. So Powtoon is a powerful presentation and video software. It's is cloud-based, so no special installation is necessary, as it can be accessed online at any time and from anywhere. Incredible animated videos and presentations can be created to captivate and engage audiences. This highly creative authoring software enables people with negligible design and technical know-how also craft impressive presentations. The software comes with ready-made drag-and-drop templates to further ease your tasks. Powtoon presentation platform offers offline presenting audio, content library, Zoom, animation, etc. The software comes with the video editing and video management functionalities as well. It's made for basically every single type of customer, for freelancers, for individuals, large enterprises, medium and small businesses. You can run it on the PC, but also on Android and iOS as well. I really like the tone and really like the look of the website as well. Everything is pretty much in here. You don't have to scroll. They are not trying to hide anything from you. When we check the pricing, we are setting monthly payments or annual. You can see the huge discounts. It's basically, if you want to try it and pay for it monthly, it's $79. And if you want to be billed annually, it's 17. So there's a huge save up. Then if you are going with Pro Plus or agency, you will obviously save more. But first of all, you want to know how it looks inside. So if you create a free premium, in this case, or freemium, you have a couple of days of trying if the Powtoon is the app or is the tool for you. The great advantage is you don't have to install it. So just go powtoon.com and create an account, and you'll be able to start creating your own presentations or basically anything. So where should we start after setting our account? Oh, by the way, setting of the account is pretty easy. You just click on the account. As you can see, I have 3 days premium trial and free branding. Why Powtoon solutions, couple of informations that you can basically fill in. So in the top left corner, if you want to start, there is this plus button and also create option. Once we click in here, we have the basic portfolio of Powtoon. We have animated explainer, whiteboard video, presentation, marketing video, branded character, screen and camera recording, infographics, or video from PowerPoint, and they are working at the moment in stock footage video. Just remember, if you really want to go with screen and camera recording option, I strongly recommend you having a good headset or a good microphone and a good camera, that you can basically start by doing that. But for now, let's go with the easiest one, which is presentation. Straight away, as you click on presentation, you see a couple of basically templates. All of them are part of this subscription that I'm running, which is free for 4 days. And let's pick one with not really busy looking. Well, things I wish I knew. Let's go with that one. We click there, and as you can see, they are basically showing you how you can work in it in this particular template. You can watch the video, or you can edit it in Studio. Now, as you can see, everything is loading. We have the real look on the right side, which is not typical. It used to be on the left side or top side. We have our toolbar. We can choose the scene. We have a couple of different layouts. And we can start working on. As you can see, there's a watermark on the bottom, which says created using Powtoon. So even though you are running like the free trial for 4 days, you can expect this watermark. But I mean, it's not that distracting, and you can work pretty much safely around it. So what we can do? On the left side, as in the classic presentation, we have all the slides that we can work with. There is a volume button control, so you can change the volume of the video, and obviously you have full control of the video. So once you start it, you can see that we have music in it, which is basically maybe too loud. And you see, this is the first slide. Now it jumps into second. And you can work your way around every single one straight away. So let's say we have some easy ornaments and the text. If we want to change the text, we double click on the text. It's not really a rocket science. We can go with hello YouTube. We can make it bigger. We can change the font easily. We can make it more to the left, right, or center it. We can go with the color. It's completely up to us. And then we can lock it. In that part, when we are trying to tweak other things, like maybe background or anything, which we can change as well. For example, this one or this one, but it's not a great option. We are not going to move this part of this scene. Very easy, very intuitive. We can straight up jump into second one, third one, or this is not loading properly. Also, my key lessons, you can go with basically anything. You can lock it, unlock it. You can add more to it by setting a custom background, by uploading photos, uploading videos into the Powtoon presentation, and having a full control over everything in Powtoon. In my opinion, it's a little bit more expensive than, for example, Render Forest, but it feels even more, how can I express it properly, like more busy. As you can see, this workspace, in my opinion, is really, really distracting. I would basically go with Render Forest, but The other thing is you can't really create a video in a render forest without a watermark for free. But I believe there's $10 or 10 euros you have to pay to get rid of the watermark per video, or per month to create small sized videos. But if you want to, even though create them for free, the quality is poor. And that's why Powtoon, if you want to keep the quality, Powtoon is a better option if you don't want to pay, if it's a one-time job and you won't be creating the presentation ever again. Powtoon is a really good way. Also, the watermark at Powtoon is way nicer, I have to say. There are obviously a lot of other things, like you can import the PPTX file and start working with a presentation that you already started, or start blank, which you can just start away with a new one if you don't really want to have a template in it. We can leave this one and let's go with Modern Edge. And you can start by adding blank sides, writing down anything you like, being photos, being background, being basically anything. And that's about it, guys. If you have more questions about Powtoons, please leave them underneath this video. We will be doing more videos about Powtoon paid subscription, and we'll try to obviously answer all your questions. So thanks for watching and have a great day.